Here is a full guide of how you can get a guaranteed 1,000 subscribers for your OnlyFans profile using just TikTok, the best marketing tool when it comes to making money online as an OnlyFans agency or OnlyFans creator. This video is based on all the algorithm updates and major changes to the platform that have happened after April 2023. So, I'm gonna share with you what strategies creators actually follow and what strategies I'm currently following myself for my own agency. And of course, the title of the video is not clickbait. This is literally what the top 2% of creators do on OnlyFans to promote their profiles. And I know that because this is the percentage some creators of my own agency have just hit. Let's see what I have for you. How to set up your TikTok profile for success. First of all, you have to choose a brand and make your profile look like it belongs to a specific niche. You shouldn't look OnlyFans related. Otherwise, you will not manage to grow your OnlyFans profile and make money online. Profiles that seem to be OnlyFans related and follow only the trends that OnlyFans creators do usually go banned by TikTok. And this is something that is happening especially in 2023, as TikTok has concentrated thousands of OnlyFans creators. For this reason, the platform tends to exclude adult content. Also, TikTok is introducing niche-based For You pages, which means that after users select their interests in TikTok, the platform automatically creates sub-For You pages that provide more niche-based results. So you have to abide by this new update and focus on specific niches rather than doing random trends. Some creators do that in such a good way that they can even expose a lot of skin in their videos without getting cancelled. Let's take for example a girl that does outdoor yoga and posts a video wearing a swimsuit. While any other creator posting something like that is likely to get her video removed, the yoga creator is able to keep her video on her profile. Why? Because after months of consistent yoga posting, she has shown the algorithm that everything she does is yoga related. So, even if she exposes more of her body, it is because of the video's needs and not because she wants to promote adult content. I'm not telling you to start posting nudity on your TikTok profile, of course. This is just an example of how creators utilize the algorithm to get the exposure they want. How many profiles to set and how to build your funnel. Now, this is where most people get confused and never manage to get subscribers to their OnlyFans profile through TikTok. 3-4 accounts that have daily content are fine, but you should always be ready to constantly create new ones each time you get one of your profiles banned. And here is the most important part. How to connect those profiles and finally direct people to your OnlyFans page from TikTok. Your funnel should be something like this. All your TikTok profiles will be connected to a secondary private IG. In this IG you will load a few followers to make it look legit and then you will turn it into private. You will still have a great profile picture and a catchy bio, but nothing more. The only thing you should have is a tag that will direct people to your main profile. In the bio of your main profile, people will find your All My Links link, Linktree link or whatever. I personally use All My Links. Not sponsored. And from there, fans will be able to find your OnlyFans. Why we do all that? Because TikTok suspends profiles that are by any means connected to adult content. In case you are asking if fans will actually follow all this process to reach to your OnlyFans, I will tell you not to worry. If you do great work with your videos, bios, and profile pictures, it will still be inviting for your fans to follow this process. Good trend research is your secret weapon to hit virality status. We will break out this segment into 2 parts. How to conduct trend research. How to use trends to drive traffic to your OnlyFans. Part 1. How to conduct trend research. Trend research is a difficult and time-costly process. But, if done right, it will give you the possibility to go viral even within your first videos. There are a few simple methods to conduct trend research. But usually, you should keep in mind that trend research is a lot based on experience and experimentation. It is a trial and error process. So, when it comes to trend research methods, we have the following ones. You should select your niche and follow 20-30 creators from your niche that go viral often. Then, every 2-3 days you should scan their profiles to see if they have uploaded something that has got over 1 million views. In the search bar, you can type some terms that are related to yours or your model's niche. For example, if you are into anime and cosplay girls, you can search for anime girl, cosplay, e-girl, etc. Then, you will filter the results to see content from the past 7 days, and you will scan for content that has at least 500,000 views. Casually scrolling in your For You page could also be an effective method. Attention! We are talking about scrolling in the For You page of an OnlyFans-related account, not your personal one. OnlyFans-related means that follows plenty of viral models and has interacted a lot with OnlyFans content. It also means that there has been done a proper account warm-up. We will go more in depth with account warm-ups in the second part of this video. So, scrolling through the For You is a great way to see what pops up the most, what has the bigger interaction, and when is the time for a trend to boom or be fed out. Then, you can compare your findings with what TikTok suggests as trend. There is the TikTok Creative Center where you see what sounds, hashtags, creators, videos have the biggest engagement at time based on the country you will select. Also, in the TikTok Sound Library, you will find a playlist called TikTok Viral that includes all the sounds that are used the most at time. However, this is mostly to give you a general sense of what performs best on TikTok. It doesn't mean that these general trends and viral videos are good video suggestions for your model to create. Part 2. How to use trends to drive traffic to your OnlyFans. Here is the deal. How you make money in OnlyFans with trends on TikTok. We will get into this right away. After you have identified what are the trends of your niche at time, the only thing left to do is produce content. You don't need to copy what is trending but recreate using your own style. Trends have a main idea, and then, what changes are the secondary stuff around the main idea. For example, a specific dance might be a trend. The main idea behind the trend is the dance. You have to do the dance using the appropriate sound. After that, it's up to you what you will do to differentiate. What clothes to wear, what location to choose, how many people to involve. The trend remains the same. And by trying different variations of background, clothing, and the other secondary stuff, you will be able to create multiple videos of the same trend and post to more than one profiles. That was all for today, guys. But hold on. There is more. The second part of this video is going to be insane. We are going to discuss how to warm up your account to avoid getting banned, what hashtags to use to go viral, how many times a day to post to reach the maximum engagement. And I will share with you some secret tips that only the 0.2% of creators do with their TikTok profiles. If there is anything you would like to discuss about your way to success in making money online, the comment section of this video is open to any one of you.
Q Tracks.